So Boxcover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another Monday social media countdown. So on the note, on getting a top 10, I have a very busy, hectic weekend where boy, I am so tired. But you see, because of Uno giving me the strength to give yet another social media countdown. So say I'm Monday, so at the 10 topics time, we have whole heap of things ranging from Olympics to some dollies that were caught stealing. Well, for more of these stories, just sit back, relax, and let's get into today's countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune it to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me out what happened on the week. Yo, just tune in, see.
Number 10, Big Breeze. Our burritos know, so I do not know what in the spirit of burial took place recently, but there I was in the comfort of my home when all of a sudden it sounded like there was apocalypse at the club, at the gambling. Oh, that cause in my mind, and I come here and say, oh, you see when the apocalypse. Oh, apocalypse. Yes, get the word. Like, oh, overlip them. Oh, apocalypse. Oh, okay, no, me get it. All right, no, so the person there, right? So I felt like that was what was going to happen, or Jesus Comfy world, but or the big bad wolf. That's the story with the Humpty, and a Humpty Dumpty. The lady we kissed the isn't the one them with the different dwarf them. Wait, the story with the oh yeah. With the when they put on the woman clothes, yes. Why may I say beer in the big blue house? Jesus Christ, that stressed me out. Anyway, burritos, and them type of breeze that did a blow. Take a look.
Hold up, I'm busting on fire. The bus up, the bus, It bus, bumbuck like bus. Bus there like that.
Big breeze, man, in a them town.
Our burritos know, so basically it wasn't no tornado, it wasn't no hurricane, it wasn't the second coming of burial. It's something with them call, you know what, I can't remember the word, the name, a qual? A squall. I don't know what that is, but that come like a very upset piece of breeze. Like, the breeze there, they need some food to eat, because why did the breeze not go on with itself like that? But luckily, I don't think, nobody did lose them lives, so all is well that ends well. But burritos, let me know, what were your thoughts when you experienced this? Number 9, Riverton Inventor. Burritos, one of the things that I like about Jamaican people is that we're very, creative. We know how to take our hands and just like make something out of nothing. And so look at this man who was able to just do the extraordinary with the little resources.
This is the latest invention. It named Jojo. Me only want to make it from scratch. We make it with the material named flexible plastic. From your baby stage to this stage, I always want to be a lab rat. To like make car, truck, guitar, all kind of good stuff. I hustle a Riverton. in 2021. Me at Riverton, earn me look money, come back. Like every week, I have 10 grand, take 5 grand out of the 10 grand and buy me stuff them and put up local. Nearly 100,000 alone for spirit and body work. Dancehall artist Bounty Killer invest 50,000 upon the first robot. What I make. I also see me on Riverton, people help on the internet see me. And the first video I'm coming out, a cartel video. And the second video I'm coming out, busy signal video. I'm just born to be a scientist. I don't been to a school, I love to be into a school now for know look measurement and I know you can perfect more than this someone. Come and look on some more things. They batch them. Riverton, they get them. Just I have 2 fan, one on the head and one on the body. The battery them on the fan now, we use phone battery. 3.7 volt to run the fan them. For the sound, power amps are 15 volt we use, but we use a 20 volt battery on it. And I love coming a video for Jamaica, or a cartoon, or a movie. But tell me that I can't give up on mission no matter what. First time I go back, rip down whole things back half fight. I still miss out 2 part on it, see, but people have to look good, see, alright. They can't record people not to observe. Wow, go on, that's a beauty. Take off.
That is it, Burritos. And them stories here we love to hear from the social media countdown. This is the type of talent that, a lot of the Jamaican people have, but all we need is the dinero. That is all, The talent is all around the island. We just need the support and the resources to make we realize our full potential. But Burritos, let me know, when is the last time you ever invent something? Sound off. Number 8, dancing Dutty. All right, Burritos, no. So this is for all of the woman them who is looking for a sugar dada. You are a sugar baby and you're looking for a sugar daddy. This is the brother for you. Take a look.
Can't leave it alone. Hallelujah. Woman is your girl. Aye. Say rock a bitch, say for me. Hallelujah. Yeah, I just tell you the revival church I best up. Then watch up. I myself in you.
This is the definition of all but not whole. Like, why am I move so? And this was an olive dancing video, and they do another one as well.
Oh, zero. Smile for the girls, them now. Smile. Watch it now. Smile for the girl, Smile for the girl, Smile for the girl. Alright now. Shabba, things that get bad, things that get bad now. Put up on the floor now. Put up on the floor.
Nah, man, people, man, just let me know, Burritos. Like, would I give him a chance? Sound off in the comments. Number 7, Bonjour Seville. Me como se va? All right, Burritos now. So, I know the 100-meter runner oblique Seville was recently, doing a little interaction with Natalia Gould, an 800-meter runner, while they, they might enjoy themselves in a Paris. When Natalia decided to ask oblique, tell him to say bonjour, and this is how it went.
Hello. C'est bonjour. C'est bonjour, no?
What that mean?
So where you think me I get this?
What that mean?
I'm here to...
What do you mean?
Morning.
Oh, bonjour. No.
Bonjour.
No.
Yeah, man. My you think say Natalia fully I tell him a bad word. Him never know say bonjour means what? Good morning, hello. He did not know that at all. He must say bonjour, he must say every other name under the sun. The boy don't know the French. But oblique. You got a Paris. This is what you're supposed to learn in the first 5 seconds of somebody tell you say you got Paris. Come on, man. Burritos, let me know. Do you know any French? Sound off below. But you know, look at something I know. J'habite Kingston. Or il est 8h30. Under 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Comme si, comme ça. ¿Cuáles son la nacionalidad? No, that's Spanish. All right, that is it, Burritos. Let me just don't write this up. How rich now? Number 6, Olympic kits. Nobody does know. So this, remember the last countdown, we talk about all the people that they really fully love the opening ceremony wear that the Jamaican track and field athletes wore, right? But now this time, now this is all about on the track and field gear them. And this I give real girl swaggerific. Why that really age me? Jesus Christ, swaggerific. Remember they had that? I'm swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. My girl wanna midget. Yeah man, big up. I'm Mr. G. I think I am this sing one song him, so sorry. I can't remember this song right now. But anyway, so take a look at the track and field outfits that were being worn by Janelle and the other athletes. Watch. No man, this is the look. This is the look. Come on, round of applause for Puma. Puma, that is it. That is exactly, and you get the right people then for show off the outfit them too, because this is what you do. Big up yourself, you know, Janelle. Mrs. Somebody say when Janelle jump out like this, she forgets that she doesn't bring her business to Noah. And this is what you need to keep on and do. You have to cramp and paralyze them and show off your body, Janelle, so that Jamaican people can't forget say you're there with who you're there with, and we give you a little pass. Okay, Janelle, continue doing your stuff. But readers, let me know, are you enjoying these outfits much more? Sound off below. Number 5, Ishana Walk and Talk. Our readers know this is the period that I guess no one really saw coming. But, you know, Ishana was recently at an event and, you know, when the camera swing over, they saw that she was in the company of Walk and Talk. And Walk and Talk showed that he was, of course, an Ishana fan by singing along to her hit single. Watch. So come watch out, this need restraining. Yeah, and he also had her on the Truth Is Real podcast. I just sat down and had a little conversation with him as well.
You do that because guess what? Some girl I said them don't want to work, but guess what? Rihanna work, Beyonce work, and talk up no man and them a billionaire. And Ishana work. Me talk husband. Me not talk no little dolly house business. You understand? But you see, if you and somebody and you have a serious partner and you not build together and together like your husband, nothing wrong. Because guess what? At the end of the day, I phone the money, everybody money are our money. Beyonce, I know for a fact say, Rihanna, I pay bills when I ask Christ. Who first? Me just a suck like me, a sucker bolo, and no, me not forget no enjoyment. And the part they know me have a problem with it now. If you say you don't do it, don't expect me to do it back.
It's your interview, you're talking.
No, if you say, no, but it's the truth. It's either you believe in the freakiness or you don't believe in the freakiness. You can't say you want a girl to go down for you, but you don't want to go back for the girl. You're rude or you're out of order. Lie or not tell. Lie or not tell.
Oh, God, boy, you know Ishana, she's going to always talk about and champion the cause of equal rights. And so right now I have an audience in front of me right now with, you know, 2 camera video editors people. So I'm going to say, if your team equal rights, make some noise. Oh, yeah. Okay. So they're very much, all right. Oh, wow, that's a hearty clap. And the one that really, clap a while, the one that, the one that really committed to the equal rights cause, clap that much, That's really hilarious. Anyway, Arboritos, so let me know what you thought of this link up between Aishana and Walk and Talk. Sound off below. Number 4, Lyles explains. Arboritos know, like, a couple likes know Lyles has been taking over the social media countdown because in face just stay in the countdown too often now, right? And so, the latest controversy people have been talking about what or who is the fastest man alive. And so there's been a debate between the Americans versus Jamaicans. Noah Lyles and the people in the US have branded him as the fastest man alive. And the Jamaican people have said, nah man, that is Usain Bolt. And they're pushing the same narrative with Sha'Carri as well. And so, warm to Elaine Thompson era. What going right there, so Americans? Only can just rewrite history, so come on, man, carry yourself a little better. Uno know when I say it's not true. Well, Noah Lyles now, I guess, seeing all of the conversation happening online, he decided to, I guess, make an attempt to clear things up. This is what he shared. He said, I would like to address, I'm not even asking off my mouth as much as Noah, but I read it. I would like to address the comments surrounding the fastest man title. The titles Fastest Man and Fastest Woman are awarded annually to the winners of the 100 meter at the World Championships. I won the men's 100 meter at the 2023 World Championships and Sha'Carri won the women's. We do not intend to disrespect or discredit past records or times set in the new season. This is simply how the title is determined. If another male or female wins the 100 meter at this year's World Championships, they will assume the title. I hope this clarifies the matter for those who had questions. Noah, me and you know said this is a load of BS. Come on, Noah, you know said there have been other people who would have won World Championship title and did not commit to being branded as the fastest man ever, fastest man alive. This is all your PR team. Okay? Because when Johan Blake did win in 2011 at the World Championships, none of this did have won. You only do this when it's an American because it's just so love to rewrite history and change the narrative. We understand for what it is, but you see, you're committed to rinsing this fastest man alive because you know the American people now going to do the research. You know them not really so key to abreast of pick up them word there, because some people don't really use that every day in a sentence. But yeah man, abreast, I'm not talk about when you got KFC and you add the piece of chicken when you want. Yeah man, because the people them who make sure so them keep abreast of the social media countdown and the pop culture things, man. Yeah man, leg and tie crowd. Stay one side, yeah man, but yeah man. So that is that. So now, yeah man, just go and go take away yourself in your arc. Alright, yeah man, bless. Number 3, Glorilla in J.A. Okay, me readers know, I'm not really pretend to know this artist enough, but I know Glorilla should have our song with it. Get it glow, get it glow, get it glow, get it low. Yeah man. And so all our song them sound to me like the song them just have a little flow like it's like gangster joining up. As some describe our sound, right? Gangster joining up. Yeah man. Alright now I just kinda want to favor but mix up with Little Mama and one other person in the know. Like she have a little combination look, you get me? Alright. So Gloria now she decided to come to Jamaica to celebrate her birthday. And I'm just like, wagwan, is Jamaica like this spot now where everybody just come dash out them crutches for them birthday? Is Jamaica this place where people just come and just say, just open up like Aki? That is what we have become. That every single rapper them have a pass through Jamaica. So Jamaica is a careless gang.
We in Jamaica, bumper clock. My birthday tomorrow, y'all just came out here to tell y'all. If you see videos floating around of me drunk as hell, just keep scrolling. Because baby, I gotta start being mature now. Like I'm super grown. Like I'm grown as the grown can be. I can't be childish no more. Like, I really gotta start growing up, and that's the sad part. It is what it is. I told you about my birthday twin on God. Like, told you I been knew we had the same birthday. Like, that's why I with you because we the same. I understand you as a fellow Leo who got the exact same birthday. Turn up those soldiers. Big motherfucking soldiers. Don't play with him. Turn around for a second. I went and got them massages and all. Oh, let me stop.
The long yard man strokes on the raft. They be coming down here to get massaged by the Jamaican men. Because clearly there is power in the man them where yeah man. Them come here for the rafting and left with the bamboo. Jesus Pim, that is where I left it. So Glorilla, if I see your video up there, I'm gonna know say this is more than rent a dread. Wanna rent it a man up here, wanna rent a scam. That is that. You might rent a chopper, rent a scammer, rent something. Oh God, but well, I guess it'll help the economy and investing and, foreign exchange and all of that. Anyway, but keep doing good in your neighborhood. Well, in our neighborhood. Anyway, you know what I mean? I said, big up Susan show anyway. Number 2, shoplifting Lyles. Oh, wow, my crime stop. All right, now, so I see this video on TikTok now, and it had like 2, what people don't consider like, in the street dollies. Oh, that sound a little weird, like a little dislike. You say street dolly. Like the dolly, like it sound like Angelica, don't. Angelica or Cynthia. No, I don't go like I don't never used to watch Rugrats. Angelica. Yeah, Angelica, where they have the Cynthia with the digger man, yeah man. I'm not calling these girls Cynthia. They look quite well, right? And so these 2 girls, they go to one supermarket now, and they were caught stealing some seasoning, Maggi, and so much more. Watch.
Watchy Barbie Dab.
Walk with them through town.
Oh wow, this not really look good enough. The girl in face go show and get plastered all over the place. And I'm like, what could they get them a little blind? Because bad too bad, like a food. I mean, I have a little soft heart when people tea food like this. Like if you have tea seasoning, say, judge it really bad. I know they probably have company in them yard and then they plan for cook now and realize that the budget got done. Them that have no seasoning. And when I girl them, I say, well, we could just try for thief and I could think, maybe them not thief every day. If you really a thief season is like Jesus P, man. You deserve a little word of prayer. You deserve for the pan a ray of hope. If you really a goat and you a thief seasoning. You understand what I say? So it's like, more I give them a blight. Just a little blight because of what they have stolen. But right now, I'm just reaching out to corporate Jamaica Maggi seasoning. This might be the perfect time to introduce the face of your brand right now. And these should be these two young ladies. Because if them love Maggi that much for go teeth feet, man, imagine what they will do to promote your brand. Okay? This could be the change for these young ladies. So just give them a chance, okay?
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Not another country in the world that has people as confident as Jamaicans. Let me tell you this. So true. Let me tell you, Jamaica is the most confident person in the world. Can I tell you something? Yeah. One thing I noticed with Jamaican people, when they go into a room, whether this is a doctor's office, a supermarket, a mall,
And number one goes to New Miss Jamaica Universe. Whoa! All right. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to New Miss Jamaica Universe. All right, now, and at the New Miss Jamaica Universe is Rachel Silvera. No, big up Rachel Silvera. Like, it was a very competitive field this year, and she came out on top as the first place winner, right? And so she beat out a very talented set of ladies. I tell you, you have doctor, you have lawyer, you have entrepreneurs, and these women all embodied having beauty and brains. Like, they were quite eloquent, graceful on the stage, and it was quite a good show.
2024 is Rachel Silvera, which means the first runner-up is Sarah J. Down. Whatsoever the best runner of the Miss Universe Jamaica pageant. We invite Shanice Palacio to sash Rachel Silvera. Come on, everybody, let's hear it for your new Miss Universe Jamaica 2024, Rachel Silvera. Jordan has passed the crown as she has passed the baton. One queen saying farewell and another queen saying hello, universe. Make some noise for our queen, who will now head to Mexico to represent the black, green, and gold. Take your walk, queen. Go ahead, Rachel, you can take your walk. Mr. Music, can I get cheese royal in the queue, please?
No, what was also very special is that we also had the privilege and the honor to welcome the reigning Miss Universe to the show. She come in a Jamaica. Why? Even though she come here late, me I gotta tell you this, like, she came here late because she have some little delays and, flight situation, but she came here and graced the stage and shared some words with us. And of course, I was very happy to see how pleasant and personable she was engaging with the audience. So, yeah, man, I have some interviews to drop for you later on. Should I sit back and wait for it until we get to start things out? All right, but until then, we have to just go and say congratulations to Rachel Silvera, all the contestants. Been doing the work hard. You can just sit back now. And Rachel, all the best in Mexico.
Please make Miss Evans welcome.
And while we wait on the presentation, Shanice, of course, we have the runway for you to do your welcome walk.
Claro.
Come on, everybody. Let's hear it for Shanice Palacios, Miss Universe 2023. Music man with the music. Ease it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause by Shanice Palacios. And you welcome Miss Evans.
So, let's be friends and hide this game. Have this fun. Have your passport in my hand. I can make a
Look at this beautiful gift on our behalf from Jamaica.
Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure you like it, share, you comment, you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to comment. Also, follow me on my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And advertise within the social media countdown. It's just simply an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. So me, I what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, see.